Cops smashing through the doors as part of a Christmas crackdown on drug dealing in Glasgow. We joined officers on this early morning raid in the city's Gorbals area as part of Operation Carex, while other raids were carried out in Maryhill, Possil and East Kilbride. The aim is to disrupt the peddling of crack cocaine and heroin in St Enoch Square and the nearby River Clyde walkway.
Specific aims this morning were to force entry to several addresses of individuals that we believed were involved in drug dealing in the city centre, and the point was to try and gather evidence against those people. Aware of the issues within the city centre, we spoke to members of the public, we've been there and seen it with our own eyes. So the point of today's operation was to try and bring those involved in drug dealing in the city centre to justice. And what I would say to those who are involved in drug dealing, that we will be relentless in disrupting the illegal trade.
The area, home to Glasgow's Winter Wonderland Christmas attractions, has been plagued for months by an increase in dealing, violence, antisocial behaviour and theft. A briefing for around 50 officers was held at Glasgow's Baird Street Police Station at 6:30 in the morning before 4 squads left the compound to hit their doors. The problems associated with crack cocaine dealing in particular has caused the St Enoch area to become a crime hotspot, just as families plan to visit for shopping and festive fun.
So we're aware of the volume of reports that we receive and our own observations in terms of violence and drug misuse in this area, and that's why it's been so important to put significant policing activity into today's efforts. So the particular areas we're trying to deal with are on-street drug dealing and misuse, which we know leads to increased violence and disorder. Links as well to thefts from local shops as well, and that's a significant issue that we're trying to tackle alongside the drugs and violence in the area.
Officers then blitzed St Enoch Square and the Clyde side with high visibility patrols, which will continue throughout the festive period, while drug detection dog Toby was also brought in to check the area for hidden stashes of narcotics.